Hello students. So in previous lecture we have seen different types of crystal structures. In this lecture we have studied lattice parameters. So it mainly contained first coordination number, second average number of atoms per unit cell, third atomic packing factor, and last density. So first we have seen coordination number. So coordination number, which is also called as a Leigh number, and it is defined as number of atoms to and touching to central atoms. So in another way we can say that number of atoms directly surrounding to given or central atoms. So first, in simple cubic structure we know that there are total 8 atoms present as shown in figure. So if we have used the one of the trick, that is, if there is a present of 8 atoms, we have considered one of the atom is a central atom. So one of the atom is very longer atom. In case of one of the central atom is considered in that SC structure. So minus this central and longer atom, then we get 6 is the coordination number for simple cubic structure. As coordination number is nothing but a number of atoms to and touching to a central atoms. As there is no central atom is present, we have considered out of these 8 atoms one of the central atom, so that minus that central atom, and also one of the atom is very longer from the central atom, so we get 6 is the coordination number for that SC structure. For second case, in BCC structure as shown in figure, there are already 8 atoms at the corner and one of the atom is present at center, so we get directly it is the coordination number for that BCC structure, as center atom have equal distance from that all 8 atoms, so 8 is the coordination number for BCC structure. In third case, for FCC structure, there are total 8 atoms at the corner and 6 atoms at the face. So total 14 atoms. We have considered same trick. One of the atom consider as central atom, as there is no central atom is present, and one of the atom is very longer, minus these 2 atoms, then we get 12 is the coordination number for FCC structure. Then for last structure, that is SCP structure, as shown in figure, we know that SCP structure is divided into 3 layers, that is top, bottom and middle layer, but we have considered to calculate coordination number only hexagonal portion. So number of corner atoms is equal to 12, and also 2 atoms at face atoms, so there are again 14 atoms. We have considered again same concept, that is one of the atom is considered as a central atom and one of the longer atoms, so 12 is the coordination number for SCP structure. So second lattice parameter is n average, that is number of atoms per unit cell, which is we have already seen in previous lecture, where n is nothing but n average, A is divided by 8 is nothing but NC divided by 8 plus B divided by 2 means NF divided by 2 plus C divided by 1 means NI divided by 1. Again we have repeat that N average is equal to NC divided by 8 plus NF divided by 2 plus NI divided by 1 to calculate N average or average number of atoms per unit cell. So that capital N represent average number of atoms per unit cell. A is equal to total number of atoms at corner of unit cell. B is equal to total number of atoms at face of unit cell, and C is equal to total number of atoms at center of unit cell. So by using formula, we already calculated the N average for different structure, that is simple cubic, BCC, FCC and SCP structure. Third lattice parameter is APF, atomic packing factor. So atomic packing factor having formula, that is volume of atoms in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. So volume of unit cell, you know that here generally we have considered cubic structure, and volume of cube is a cube, so volume of unit cell is simple. But volume of atoms in unit cell is calculated by using again one of the formula, that is volume of atoms in unit cell is equal to n average multiplied by volume of atom. That is the volume of atoms in unit cell. So n average we have already calculated by using formula Nc divided by 8 plus Nf divided by 2 plus Ni divided by 1. And volume of atom, so we know that atom having spherical shape, so volume of sphere is the formula for volume of atom, and that is the volume of atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So first we have calculated the APF for SC structure. So formula is same. So that green color shows that volume of atoms in unit cell means n average multiplied by volume of atoms. So the green color given the volume n average, that is 1 for SC structure. Orange color, that is shown by volume of atom, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. We have taken r is equal to 0.5 a. This is the geometry used for simple cubic structure, because where r is the radius of atom and a is the lattice constant, and we know that radius and lattice constant having this relation, that is r is equal to 1/2 a or r is equal to 0.5 a, and blue color shows that volume of unit cell, that is a cube. So by solving all this equation and put the values of pi, we get APF is equal to 0.52. For second structure, body center cubic structure, that is BCC, formula is same for APF, only there is change in geometry. As BCC structure have one of the central atom, so geometry is considered in 2 square of that cubic structure. So use the Pythagoras theorem for both squares, we get one of the geometry, that is 4r is equal to root 3a, or we can say that r is equal to a root 3 by 4. So again that green color shows that n average is 2 for BCC structure. Then volume of atom 4 by 3 pi r cube, instead of r we have used this geometry, that is r is equal to root 3 a divided by 4. Then blue color shows volume of unit cell, that is a cube. So put all values, we get APF is equal to 0.68 for BCC structure. For FCC structure, again we have used same formula. Here is also one of the change the geometry. As in BCC structure, one of the central atom we have considered the Pythagoras theorem in 2 squares. In FCC structure, we know that face is available at 1 square, so we have considered the Pythagoras theorem at only 1 square. So we get the geometry, that is 4r is equal to root 2a, or we can say another relation, that is r is equal to a divided by 2 root 2. You can select any one relation, either for r is equal to root 2a or r is equal to a divided by 2 root 2. So again that green colors shows that 4 is the n average for FCC structure. Orange color shows volume of atom, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube, that r is changed by root 2a divided by 4. That blue color shows volume of unit cell, that is cube volume a cube. So after substituting all these values, we get FCC structure have APF is equal to 0.74. For last structure, that is hexagonal closed pair structure, formula is same, but as number of atoms in SCP is equal to 6 and atomic radius also r is equal to a by 2. This is a general discussion relation we are using SC structure. So here there is change in volume of atom. In volume of atom we have directly considered 4 by 3 pi r cube for cubic structure, But as this is a hexagonal structure, the volume of 6 atoms we have considered. So that volume is equal to 6 multiplied by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, and then in case of volume of unit cell, we have directly considered a cube for cubic structure, but hexagonal structure having changed the volume of unit cell. We have calculated the volume for unit cell in hexagonal structure. So one of the geometry again, that hexagonal volume is calculated by using triangle area multiplied by height of hexagon. So the triangle area of hexagon is that is a 1/2 into a is the lattice constant into a sin 60 into c is the height of hexagon. So we know that a sin 60 is the root 3 by 2. So we get that volume by triangle area into height of hexagon, that is c. So we get volume of hexagonal unit set in two constant, that is a and c. Then put these values in APF formula. So we get one of the ratio, that is c upon a. So in hexagonal closed pack structure, that ratio having constant value, that is 1.633. So put this value in that above formula. So we get APF is equal to 0.74 for SCP structure. So by using this all lattice parameter, you must remember this table, which consists different types of crystal structure with their average number of atoms per unit cell, n average coordination number or ligancy number, APF, and their materials. So we have already seen n average coordination number and APF. So in case of materials, SC structure have not specific material, but BCC structure having examples chromium, molybdenum, alpha ferrite and sodium. Then for FCC structure, for examples are aluminum, copper, silver, lead and antimony. For SCP structure, examples are magnesium, zinc, cadmium and titanium. So all of you must remember this table. Then last type of lattice parameter is the density. We know that density is nothing but a mass per unit volume. So in this lattice parameter, it considered as a mass of atoms in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. There are two types of density: linear density, which is represented by rho L, having definition number of effective atoms per unit length on specific length along any direction of unit cell, with formula rho L is equal to n effective length divided by capital L. And planar density represented by rho P. It is the number of atoms per unit area of crystal plane, with formula rho P is equal to Ne divided by A, where Ne is equal to effective number of atoms on the plane with area A. So the difference between linear density and planar density is, linear density is mainly considered for effective atoms on specific length, while planar density considered for effective atoms on specific area of crystal plane. So you must remember this density formula to solve the numericals. So this is all for lattice parameter. These are the references used for this content. So thank you very much.